What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work from Home, where I show everyday people how they can make money using their cell phones. Um, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can make extra money as a Grubhub driver. Okay, so you already know how you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid by doing your deliveries. You're going to get paid by your tips. Now, would you be surprised that there's another way how you can make money? You might be asking yourself, well, how do you do that? But before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the videos. But in this one, I want to show you how you can make extra money just by pumping gas. So you're gonna have to go to these locations anyway. So why not get paid for it? So as you can see, I've made $40 with this app. And how do you do it? You just select the gas station. I'm going to select this gas station right here. Okay. So it tells you by going to this gas station, they're going to give you 22 cents per gallon. Okay. Then you're going to go down, click on claim. Click on claim. It says, okay, you go here, and then you got 4 hours to make that claim, and then you have to upload that receipt. So it's real simple to do. You go to this gas station. This is it fills up to 50. It's up to 50 gallons that they'll give you that 22 cents per gallon. Okay. So you go there, and then you claim the offer first. You go to the gas station, and then you use your debit or credit card. You get the receipt, and then you just upload it. It's really simple. That's all that you got to do. And then as you continue to do this, you're going to build up your account balance. I'm just at $40. I have a friend that's got $2,000 in his account balance, and he showed me that, and I just knew, hey man, if you could do it, I could do it too. So I wanted to share this with you if you're not aware that you can get paid just to pump gas. So you do it that way, and then if you share with other people, you'll earn cash back on any time that they pump gas also. So that's how you kind of build it up, get that little snowball effect going on. So you're just going to go ahead and click on the little three dashes right there, and then you go and invite friends, okay? And then it's going to give you a link. You go to there, and then that's how you get the referrals bonus or whatnot. So I will have the link down at the bottom. The app is the Get Upside app. And you can grab it with my link, and you'll get an additional 15 cents per gallon off your next purchase on top of whatever they have for the offer just by going to cashbackatthepump.com. And that's it. It's real simple to do. As a Grubhub driver, why not make that extra money? So just wanted to share this with you. It's real simple, easy to do. And look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.